First, cut cardboard and plywood to act as a base. We basically did 3 layers of cardboard and 1 layer of plywood with the same measurement for a stronger base. Second, we cut some plywood for the slab platform. Third, we sketch stringer on a thin cardboard and then we cut the stringer properly so it aligns nicely with our flight later. Then, we glue on skewers that acts as our column bars to the slab. Then, we attach our slab to our base using some tackit. After that, use some ice cream sticks that we cut based on measurements glued to the slab to act as formwork. Then, we attach the stringer to the flat and combine it to our main model. Now, shape and cut some wires to form stair shapes that acts as reinforcement bars. Subsequently, reinforcements are prepared in various shapes, depending on usage whether they're for main reinforcement or secondary reinforcement. Then, we finally attach them using tackit to our model. Finally, label our model based on the components. And now our model is basically done. Thank you!
Hello, today we will be presenting on our staircase reinforcement model.
So the first component is our landing reinforcement bars, where in the model we use wires, and in real life we basically use Y20 size bars for the main bars, and for the secondary bars we use Y12. It actually acts as a bone for our structure and also prevents cracking. The next component is our formwork, which we use plywood and also ice cream sticks. It acts as a mold for our building and holds the shape of the cement while it's drying. Last is our slab, which we also used plywood and also ice cream sticks. Acts as a platform for the half-turn stairs, and it also transfers that and live loads to the other structures.
So the fourth component is the bottom reinforcement bar. In this model, we are using wires, but in real life we'll be using bars. The function is it supports and prevents cracking in the concrete later on. The fifth element is the stringer. The stringer supports dead load and live load. The flight of stairs is for movement from one level to another level.
So the seventh component is the treads. Treads is basically a horizontal surface that uses steps. Here we use wires, but in real life we use the reinforcement bars Y12. The load is transferred through the slab to the main bar. Main bar is Y20. The main bar are placed at the bottom of the slab to carry the load. The riser is the vertical part of the stairs. It mainly controls the height of the stairs and it does not carry major structural load. Basically, more specific reinforcement is provided. Next is nosing. Nosing is the front edge of tread that probably about 20 to 25 millimeters beyond the riser. It improves safety and is supported by the main continuous reinforcement below. That's all from us. Thank you.